I wanna be where those people are, part of that world. I hope you guys enjoyed that concert. But today we are going to be doing a Little Mermaid-inspired eyeshadow look. I don't know about you, but I was a Little Mermaid fan. And I just found out that that movie came out in 1989. I was 3 years old. Let's get into it. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place palette, this one right here. You guys have seen this before on previous videos, but I love it. And it has the blues that I want to use because I want to use this one, this one, this one. This one looks like underwater. Like there's so many we can pick from. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NARS. Hold on, let me open it. NARS. And I'm going to conceal my eyelids, prime them with this. I'm going to use a little brush like this. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm also going to be using my compact mirror. You guys know I'm a fan of this. I can just really see up close. So I'm just going to take some of that and I'm just priming my lid. This is going to make the color show up really, really good. And that's what we want because we're going for a vibrant eye. Alright guys, so the lids are primed, as you can see. And we're going to get into it. I'm so excited. Now we're going to go in with, which one you guys? Which one? Okay, I'm going to use my little eyebrow brush here and I'm going to go in with this blue right here. We're going to put that in the crease. Then I'm going to go in with this pretty turquoise color right here, teal or turquoise, whatever you want to call that. And we're going to put that right here. And guys, do you see how pretty that is? Then I'm going to go in with this blue color right here, just to give my eye a little bit of depth. I'm going to add that just in the corner of my crease, like right here. I'm just going to dab a little bit of that in there. Like that. I want to put a little transition color between my brow and where I start that blue. So I'm going to go in with this tan color right here. I'm going to take some of that and I'm just going to sweep it across. So good. So good. Now I'm going to go ahead, do my brows. We're going to fast forward through some of these parts because the eyes, that is the main attraction right here. The eye look. We're just going to clean it up some, so I'm just going to work on the brows really quick. First, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Let's go. I'm just going to massage that into the skin. Going in with my Born This Way concealer in the color Maple, I'm just going to do my under eye. I'm just going to bring that down over because this concealer is pretty thick. And guys, my neighbors just started cutting their grass, so that's what you're hearing. But I'm just pouring this I'm just putting this concealer all around my face, just a little bit on any imperfections that I see. It spreads really, really good. Then I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is a foundation and concealer, but I use it to bronze because it's a pretty brown. It's in the color Golden Toffee, I believe. Yep, Golden Toffee. You guys have heard me talk about all these products in previous videos. So I'm just going to go over all the places that I want to look sun-kissed. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty in the color Cinnamon Bun, and I'm just going to set my under eye. And I just take the excess of that and I just powder up all around my face. Then I'm going to go in with this face powder, that the compact I've been holding. This is the Juvia's Place face powder in the color Zaria, and just apply that all over. After I do that, I'm just going to go in and clean up my eyeshadow a little bit because I've added some product. Then I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place. This is the bronzed palette that they have. It's in the color Deep Dark. And I'm using this just to bronze away. You guys, I love bronzer. Love, love, love. I'm using this color right here, right at the top. Guys, I'm feeling like, la 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 la, don't be scared, it'll be so much fun. Go ahead and kiss the girl. Okay. Now, because, you know, we're trying to look aquatic, we're trying to look like the ocean, we're going to go back into our palette and we're going to use a very different color to highlight with, just because. I'm going to go in with this color right here. So pretty. It is like a silver color, and we're going to go in, because I normally highlight with bronze or like a golden color, but we're going to use silver today because I want to look. Oh, that's so cute. It's like all the colors of the ocean and like purple. Y'all, how fun is that? And you do not need a lot. Guys, look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. We're just highlighting where we see the natural light hitting our face. I am recording in natural light. That's why the color kind of fluctuates, but I love it. I feel like it's the prettiest light to get to do your makeup in. I also wanted to go back under my eye and put blue. So we're going to go back in with this color right here. Just adding that right underneath my waterline. Be very careful on that part too, because you don't want it to fall out on top of all of that base that you just did. This is how we're looking so far, guys. So good. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild, this little cute palette right here. Well, right here, it's just a little bitty eyeshadow palette that's jet black, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that under my eye, and I'm also going to use it to make a little okay. I'm going to go in with my Essence Lash mascara, and I'm just going to apply that to my bottom lashes. Guys, I'm excited because this is coming out exactly the way I was hoping it would. All right, and then we're going to do the lips. I'm going to use my MAC in the color Chestnut. First, I'm going to put on some chapstick because I want my lips to be moisturized. Guys, I want to have fun with this, so I'm just going to go in with this like plum, like I wanted a blue, but I'm going to use this NYX in the color Moonwalk. I'm going to go in with Morphe. This is like a rosy pink matte color. And I'm just going to apply that in the center, guys. I've been using this for every single makeup look. It's perfect for highlighting the inner part of your lip. And because this is like underwater, I want to feel like glowy. So we're going to go in with our Juvia's Place lipstick. This is in the color Dolce Latte. And we're just going to put some shine. And alright guys, we're going to pop in some earrings. They're my daughter's. She's going to get me. A little last minute decision. I want to go through and contour my nose just a little bit using this bronzer palette. I'm going to give my face a final spritz with this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I want to be where those people are. Part of that. I've got gizmos and gadgets aplenty. La 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 la, don't be scared, it'd be so much fun. Go ahead and kiss the girl. Alright guys, and this is the final Little Mermaid-inspired makeup look. You guys, I love it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Are you guys going to be trying something out like this? I feel like you can wear this out anywhere. It's just fun. Thank you all so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be uploaded for more videos. I love you. Jesus loves you. And thanks for hanging out with me for some girl time. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.